Hi guys, I'm going to go over distributive property notes with you. You've already done this. You did this last week, but I want to make sure that we're going to have the same information. If you already know these notes, then you can go through it very quickly. So distribution means to give. To give something, you're giving it away. When you use the distributive property, you are giving the number or variable on the outside of the parentheses to both of the numbers or variables on the inside of the parentheses. Giving equals multiplying. Now you can stop this anytime you want, so I'm not going to go real slow because you can just stop it, fill your notes in, back up, or whatever. So the example is, notice the arrows. Okay, the arrows are very important. It's telling you that the 5 is going to be multiplied by the 4 and the plus 1. So step 1, draw arrows from 5 to the 4 and the x. And we know that there's a 1 in front of any variable. And then we're just going to multiply. So it's 5 times 4 is 20 plus 5 times x is 5x. So then we're going to simplify. We simplified. It doesn't simplify anymore. The x is an x and the 20 is just a number, so those two cannot combine. Okay, so step 1, we're going to draw our arrows. Number 2, draw our arrows from the -2 to the x and to the -3. Something I want you to remember is that this negative sign is with the 3, just like the positive was with the x, which is why we had a positive here. Okay, so -2 times x is -2 times x. -2 times -3 is -2 times -3. And when we combine those, we get -2x. And a negative times a negative is a positive, and it's 6, and this plus is there, and this is a positive as well, so that makes it plus 6. And that also doesn't simplify, and that's because -2x is not the same term as 6. They don't share, like -2x is pretzels, and a 6 would be a goldfish. If you put them all in the bowl, they don't become a new food. They still have pretzels and goldfish. So right there we have pretzels and goldfish. Okay, guided practice number 3. You have -4 times x plus 8. I want you to turn this off and I want you to do it yourself. Okay, so we're back and we're going to break this apart. It's -4 times x and -4 times 8. Okay, and we have -4 times x is -4x, and it's plus, and then -4 times 8 is -32, and so this plus sign is going to become a negative sign, minus 32. Okay, now some of you don't know your rules, so this is a great time. You have extra time to know those rules, but you can also be using your Desmos calculator, and that would help you also be able to put this into your Desmos calculator. So these are goldfish or pretzels, and these are goldfish, and they don't combine, so our final answer is -4x minus 32. Okay, so now we're going to go on to get some, those are your notes. So that's it. Go ahead and go do your practice. You guys are awesome. I miss our class together.